System Analyst Interview Questions and Answers 2025. Before you go into an office for an expert interview for a system analyst, you ought to invest a lot of energy in planning for the arrangement.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
You should be comfortable with the organization, industry, and position, so you will be prepared to answer significant system analyst interview questions and/or unexpected questions. For a business systems analyst position, you can hope to experience requests that straightforwardly identify with your forthcoming position's obligations. You will not have the option to anticipate each inquiry you'll be posed, yet you can anticipate a couple of basic system analyst interview questions from your interviewer or board. At the point when you work on answers to these system analyst interview questions, take a stab at recording your contemplations. This can assist you with getting sorted out and planning what you will say in the interview with the business systems analyst interview questions. In any case, don't retain system analyst interview questions and answers. A recounted passage doesn't show a similar degree of certified interest as a candid reaction. As you accumulate important accounts and sort out your expert selling focuses, it may very well be useful to build up a structure for reacting to business systems analyst interview questions. You should begin with unraveling the motivation behind the request and make a few expansive focuses that ought to be available in each quality answer. This adaptable construction guarantees that even odd or random questions won't stump you during a significant prospective employee meeting. List of top system analyst interview questions and answers. Before the onset of the interview, always widen ideas with the frequently asked questions to inculcate informed readiness with the type of various system analyst interview questions and answers in the article. Following are the finest sample sets of business systems analyst interview questions and answers from basic to experienced level or entry-level system analyst interview questions. These system analyst interview questions and answers not only fetch ideas on the exam but surely contribute to facing interview rounds. System analyst interview questions and answers set 1. 1. Mention the abilities needed to turn into a system analyst. Good acquiring and listening abilities. Complex critical thinking capacities. Time the executives. Troubleshooting. Good information on programming applications and systems administration. Quality control examination. Critical reasoning. 2. Mention what is a DHCP worker. DHCP worker stands for Dynamic Host Arrangement Convention, which is planned as the utilitarian expansion of the Bootstrap Network Protocol. It is a worker or customer convention that naturally provides food. A web convention, IP, has with its IP address and another arrangement as the subnet whale and default door. 3. Mention for what reason to utilize DHCP workers. DHCP workers permitted the whole cycle to be automated and overseen midway. DHCP worker keeps up the IP addresses en masse and doles out a location to any DHCP-empowered customer when he switches on to the organization. The locations are dynamic instead of static, so the tens which are no longer being used are consequently get back to the mass for redistribution. 4. Mention what is subnetting. Subnetting is the strategy of parceling a solitary TCP/IP network into various unmistakable organization sections called subnets. 5. Mention what is System Analyst Report. System analysts can record what is going on in current systems and what can be considered typical in systems that have not been fabricated at this point. Archiving is regularly done in a joint effort with specialized journalists, system originators, and system draftsmen. The rundown of things that system analysts report incorporates user scenarios, functional exercises, data streams, classes, Interfaces between systems. System analyst interview questions and answers set 2. 6. Mention what are the sorts of prerequisites that a system analyst should accumulate and examine. System analysts should accumulate necessities like technical prerequisites. It incorporates the insight concerning what the system is fabricated, including which language it will be modified in, what standards are to be kept up, and so forth. Functional necessities. It incorporates the insight regarding what should be conveyed, which is for the most part perused by computer programmers, project directors, and business analysts. 7. Explain parodied bundle. Satirize bundle is a web convention parcel that is made from a phony IP address, yet acts as a real and verified sender. It is generally willfully ignorant of administration assaults and is utilized to crush the security instrument of the organization and bypass administration which depend on IP validation. 8. Mention what are some association programming use approaches that system analysts can execute in an association. Disallow the utilization of outer drives for representatives to get to the association's information. Not permitted to download pilfered programming and electronic documents that are protected or unauthenticated. No sharing of classified material, restrictive data, or proprietary innovations outside the association. Not permitting them to hack into unapproved sites or download substances.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.